Omega Paw NRA15 Self-Cleaning Litter Box Regular Size. There is a newer version of this item, the NRA15 V5.0. Easy to use. Cleans in seconds. Clean litter drops back into the pan while the waste deposits into a convenient pull-out tray for quick and easy disposal. Does not require electricity, liners or filters. Suitable for small to medium cats. Purina Tidy Cats Non-Clumping Litter System, Breeze XL All-in-One Odor Control and Easy Clean Multi-Cat Box. Purina Tidy Cats Breeze XL Cat Litter Box System includes a litter box with scoop, 1. Ecoleben Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box, no more scooping. The Smart Cat Litter Box for multiple cats, 5G Wi-Fi app controlled automatic cat litter box. The automatic trash can cleans itself after each use, separates trash from clean trash and stores it in the trash drawer below. After each excrement is removed, the self-developed purification device will remove the odor in time. In addition to changing cat litter with one click, the app remote control that supports 5G and 2.4G Wi-Fi can help you monitor the cat's condition in real time. Petree Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box, no more scooping. Automatic cat litter box with app control, safety protection, odor removal, large space for multiple cats. Safety is our top priority. PIR pyroelectric, infrared sensor, microwave radar, current protection, kitten protection system, power on self-check system, remote alerts. Protect your cat at all times. Pack of 4 cat pads and 2 bags of 3.5 pounds. Kitty litter pellets, giving your cat 1 month of refills. Extra large litter boxes for big cats come in a larger size designed to give your cat a better experience and has high sides to help prevent tracking kitty litter and keep messes contained.